Hello, and welcome to Custom Scanner Debugging and Troubleshooting within CDGC. Today I'm going to go over a quick overview and review of custom scanners, the metadata model process, before we actually get into some examples of troubleshooting. One thing that I would recommend is if you haven't already, please review the last video on custom scanners, have a baseline knowledge of custom scanners, as this is going to go over issues when uploading the metadata template file. The first thing that we're going to go over is the custom.datamodelnew.json file. This is just an example metadata template file that I've created with a package name of custom.datamodelTestExtra. It has a series of classes, attributes, links, and so on, other things that we would expect to be within a working metadata template file. And the other piece of this is going to be within the metadata command center. Like normal, we'll be going through this process of creating the metadata template file based on a JSON file that we've created, and then we would normally create a metadata model, fill it in with the information based on our classes, the links to that CSV file, and so on. Here, I'm just going to click on New, Customization, and Metadata Model, and hit Create. And what this is going to ask for is our file and the package name. So the file that I'm going to choose is what I have just saved, this custom.datamodelnew.json, and for this package name, I'm going to give the package custom.datamodelnew and hit create. And we see that there's an error in uploading the file. This is something that I would expect, as I created this file to generate this error, but this is not giving us much information. So what we would actually want to do is go into the console logs to find out more. To do that, we can hit function and the F12 key, which is going to take us over into Chrome's debugging tool. And from here, I can go over to console and find more information about failed to load the resource, the server responded to the status of 400, that's fine. What I would actually like to do is hit create again, and within network, it's going to give us an import error. And here we can find more information within the response, where we can see the message package name custom.datamodelnew is different from the draft package name custom.datamodelTestExtra. This matches, as we have the package name here, custom.datamodelTestExtra, which is what I would have expected. This same debugging method can be used if there are other issues, additional attributes, things of that nature that will also pop up within this response header of any import error that we have in the network side. This was a quick summary over how to find more information on the custom scanners when we're seeing this generic error in file upload, and how we can actually dive into what might be going on within the metadata model package that's actually being uploaded. We gave a quick review, but further information can be addressed directly through GCS. If there's still a generic error that can be seen in the console logs, feel free to upload the metadata model that you have or metadata template that you have, and we'll be happy to review and provide suggestions or more information from there. And more information can also be found in the Informatica network, either through the original video on this process or more information about specific errors. We'd love to hear from you. Please reach out to us at either of these sources, and thank you for your time.